Hi everybody, my name is Latasha and I am one of Riaan's top lines. So if you are brand new in the business or you've been in here for a while and you haven't really started doing the business, you're losing out. So have you funded your wallet? If you haven't funded your wallet, you're losing out. You're not using the system. So go and fund your wallet. Then you go to a shop and you go and do the Chappie test. If you don't know what a Chappie test is, you go and buy a Chappie and you say you want to pay with your 168 code. If it's not working, then you can ask for either the manager or the business owner. The best thing to do is, if the manager also doesn't know about it or how it works, first of all, don't say that you are from BcoinWise. They don't know us. They probably don't know Sellbucks. You should tell them that you are using a voucher code. I'm going to give you an example of what I did at the Walker Drive Total Garage here in Port Elizabeth. So I went to the Total Garage to fill up my tank. I asked the petrol attendant if this is possible. He said he's got no idea. I went into the shop. They said they had no idea. Then I said, I need to speak to your manager, please, because I would like to introduce something to him. The manager came out and walked to one side and I said to him, Hi sir, my name is Latasha and I am one of the top recruiters with BcoinWise and definitely the best in Port Elizabeth. Therefore, I can tell you today, if your system is not up and running to be able to accept our 168 code, you are going to lose clients, because then I'm going to be going to the next Total Garage, which is in Walmer. So then I will tell everybody that I know that Walmer Total is the one that accepts the 168. But I would really like your garage to be the petrol station that everybody comes to. So if you are willing to just investigate and see how you can get your system up and running, I would gladly come back, fill up my tank and tell everybody about it. The owner's eyes went like this and he said, can you please come with me to my admin office? I spoke to the lady there who does all the admin for him and I told her exactly the same, but I could see it went in here and it went out there and she didn't understand the thing, which is totally understandable because it's a very new concept. A lot of people don't understand it. It's our responsibility to educate those businesses who doesn't know. So therefore, I spent the time, gave my number to her and to the owner, and I said, if you need help, please reach out. I will be back in a week's time to come and test it again. A week later, I went back and it worked. So now at the Total Garage at Walker Drive, you can actually go, you can fill up your tank, you can have your car washed, and you can buy whatever you feel like in the store with your 168 code. Now, if I didn't take the time to explain it to a management position, to somebody who really knows the power of getting more feet into the business, I would have wasted an opportunity. They would have still not been able to take the 168 code, and everybody would have either complained and said, nobody knows this business and nobody understands, and this is actually just a waste of my time. If you are in that mindset, get out of it. It's not going to get you anywhere. It's not doing any favors to you, your business, the way you want to earn and spend money. So please start thinking like an entrepreneur. Start thinking like a business owner. Speak to the business owners. Don't fight with the people at the cash register. It's not their job. If they weren't given the opportunity to learn something new, it's not their responsibility. Speak to the management or the manager or owner. And that's my bit of advice today. So please go and fund your wallet. Do your Chappie test and start using the wallet, because this is where the money is. The money is not in the 50 Rand sign-ups. The money is in the wallet. As soon as everybody starts using the wallets, you're going to start seeing in your monthly. And that's how you're going to start earning passive income. Over and out.